Ooh, is it you saucy?
Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Halloween. My name is Lauren Ashley and today we will be getting into another Halloween look. Today we are going with a cat. I didn't want to do a black cat all the way because everybody was going to be doing it. So I thought I should add some flair, get green ears and makeup that's not all black and gold. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. But before I move on, please make sure you follow all of my social media platforms, which will be popping up at the bottom of the screen. They most likely will be matching whatever look I am doing for today. It is really hard to take myself serious right now because I'm looking in the camera and it don't matter. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your bell post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, you guys, jumping right into it. You already know I did my eyebrows and set my eyes off camera. We're gonna jump right into eyeshadow. I'm using the Nikita Dragun X Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go into that green shade called Shigo. So appropriate. And we're gonna put that starting in our outer V. Okay, so we're gonna go back into that Nikita Dragun palette, and this time we are gonna dip into that shade Mama Dragon. Yeah, and we're gonna put that directly in our crease. Was that a good demonstration? Did I show y'all good enough? Don't mind that shade. I don't even want to talk about it. And we're gonna put it directly in our crease. And I know you are probably looking like, why? Trust the process. Trust the process. Messing up my eyeshadow. We're gonna continue to move on and see if we can fix it later on. So now I'm gonna cut my crease on this disaster. And I'm just gonna pray to the Lord himself that it's okay. All right, you guys, cutting my crease made my disaster look a lot less disastery. So now we're gonna go back into that Nikita Dragun palette, and this time we're gonna use the shade Sakura, and we're gonna put that on top of our lid. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to go in that same purple shade from the Nikita Dragun palette, and we're gonna fill in the sides so they can look more blended in together. Like that. You guys, I wanted to come back, well, I needed to come back after I did my eyeliner because we're gonna do something special with that. I plan on going back into this Nikita Dragun palette and using this glitter shade called Matrix, and I'm gonna pack that on top of the liner in the middle. So we're gonna take our lash glue and place it right in the middle on each side. go into that glitter. Okay. All right, you guys, after applying my lashes, I decided to put these sticky gems up here. I didn't do any glue. They came like this. They were just regular gems that had sticky adhesive on the back, and I just stuck them. They have no correlation to the look. I just thought it would make it look more, you know. So now we're gonna do our cat nose and the line in the middle and the top of our lip and whatever else part cat's got. Ooh, that's too high up. That's too high up. After the 13th millionth redo on this side of the whiskers, they're just gonna have to stay. I'm just gonna have to be a crooked cat. It don't matter. It don't even matter no more. I promise it don't. So now we're gonna line our top lip. All right, you guys, the next and the last two steps, I'm gonna put on my cat ears. And I'm going to put on lipstick on my bottom lip. It's this hot pink. It's the only thing that I had that'll somewhat correlate. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you were following, I hope it was easy to follow, and I hope you had an easier time with these whiskers than I did if you were following. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on all your post notification bells so you can be notified every time I post a video. And also make sure you follow all of my social media platforms, which have popped up throughout the video at the bottom of the screen. They most likely have matched whatever look I did for the day. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.